legit. That's not cool. But y'all, here's the girl who actually doesn't. And I'm just she look hella big to be playing with some easy bake oven. That's the girl. She looks really hella big to be playing with some freaking easy bake oven. Like, that's messed up. Like, dude, that's not cool. Hey y'all, it's Shari, and I just wanted to say, why in the world would you be playing with a easy bake oven and it's you're 13 years old? You should not be playing with an easy bake oven when you're 13 years old. Like that's legit not cool because it's really not cool. You're way too old.
Want to say something else?
If you bring a bake oven, I'm not saying this happens all the time, but if you bring a bake oven and it's like she goes up and say, "Oh my God, did y'all know like this and that? Been playing with easy bake oven all the time, like legit,
I'm gonna go up here and say what I'm gonna say. Guys, I am not gonna show my face right now, but I can tell you, if people question you because of your dreams, you can just go ahead and do it. You know what? If you want to play with it, you can. Because no one don't have no business telling you you can't. And even though it might be a little childish, it's still your dreams and it's still what you think in your mind. So it doesn't matter what people say, that people trying to bring you down all the time. And I know this sounds really stupid for me to be doing this, but all y'all out there is a hater. Hater, hater, hater. I'm out. So tell me what y'all think about that. And I didn't mean to call y'all a hater, but if you just hate this, then you're a hater. So tell me what you think about this. I just let y'all see me. Bye. Peace.